Hello, welcome back to my channel. For those of you coming to this channel for the first time, this is Raymond Rayfx. For my student, it's called Raymond Ray Academy. You're welcome to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like this video. Also leave your comment in the comment section. It helps a lot. For those of you, the subscribers that are coming back to this video, thank you so much for growing this community. I love you guys. I love you. I love you. Today, I want to discuss an aspect of trading, very fundamental aspect of trading. It's called top-down analysis. There's one thing about trading. For you to be a successful trader, one of the prerequisites is that you must know how to do analysis. When you come to the market every day, what do? How do you analyze the market? Though it's a very vast topic, I want to introduce it, how analysis is being done in the market. So today I'm just going to show us how a top-down analysis is being done. When you come to the market, how you do your analysis. Because if you do your analysis correctly and you take a sell or you take a buy, with that, if you take a sell 10 times, take a buy maybe 20 times in a month, it plays out 15 times, you will know that your analysis is correct. And you do that over and over and over again. That's what makes you a profitable trader. With that, you can say you are profitable in the market. So today I'm going to show us. I'll take us to the chart to see how top-down analysis is being done. Just very simple. When you come to the market, with this, both new traders, those struggling traders, even those that have been trading for a long time, they are not profitable. When you know this, you know that you're going to be successful in the forex market. So I'll take you to my screen, how I do my top-down analysis when I come to the market every morning. What do? I take down the top-down analysis. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the charts and see how it's being done. Let's see how the top-down analysis is being done. The pair we have here, this is GJ. That's GU. We're analyzing GU today, not GJ. Today, this moment, we're analyzing GU. When you come to the market, make sure you have a blank screen. You start with your screen must be blank. Make sure you have a blank screen. First of all, go down to the weekly time frame. Know what the weekly is doing. Bring it down. Map out the key areas. These are our key areas for the weekly. Map out these key areas. Map out the key areas. This is the weekly candle. Map down all the key areas. These are the key areas. Scale it down to the daily time frame. Zoom it off. This is the daily candle. Then you adjust your lines accordingly. Map out the support and resistance. Very important. All these key areas. These are areas of support and resistance. For those of you that don't know what support and resistance is where the sellers reject the price of the buyers. While support is where the buyers reject the price of the sellers. That's in the layman term. That's how it's being done. That's what it is. What I mean is this candle is moving up, moving up. These are buyers in charge at this point. At this point here, the sellers reject the price of the buyers, and it started having a week. So that is why something is being formed here. What is being formed here is resistance. In a layman way, simple term, resistance is where the sellers reject the price of the buyers, while support in this, for example, here, this is a support, a very strong support. This is a place where the buyers reject the price of the sellers. That's the layman meaning of support and resistance. When you map out your key area like this, you scale down to 4 hours, see what 4 hours is doing. So you have the true picture of what's happening in the market. This is 4 hours candle. You, you adjust the areas accordingly to support the resistance. For the sake of today's lesson, I'm going to do something. We're going to color it. We're going to use a different color for support, a different one for resistance. Let's use blue for support. Yes, these are support, these are resistance. This also is a support. Yes, having done that, scale down to 1 hour. See what the market is doing. Now in 1 hour, we can see that the market is ranging here. Then this is another support level. We adjust this accordingly. This, adjust this. Then I have another support level here on the 1 hour time frame. We do this. Then these are key areas. These are support. The area marked with blue are support areas. These are support areas. Very, very important. Like I told us, I said when you come to the market, you have to look for something. There must be something you're looking for. So these are support areas. These are resistance. These are resistance. Then scaling up, you see this another, there's another resistance here. I told us resistance is a place where the buyers, where the sellers reject the price of the buyers. That's when resistance is being created. So these are resistance. Why the blue line is support. This is how you scale down the chart. For me, we'll go to 30 minutes. There's something. I don't go below 30 minutes. 30 minutes is the least I trade because higher time frame actually controls the market. So in the long run, whatever the higher time frame is doing is what's going to play out in the market. What do I mean by that? When you see where higher time frame is having a week being filled, it has a long week, like this. Let me show us an example of what I mean. These are 4 hours candle. These are weeks. But if you convert this, scale it down to 1 hour, you wouldn't see something like that. That becomes a candle. So that's why I don't go below 30 minutes. So that I wouldn't be trading a week. I like trading the candle body. That's what gives me the analysis. Now let's go back to 30 minutes. Yeah. With this is how you do the top-down analysis. You scale from weekly just to have an overview of what the weekly candle is saying. We scale down to the daily. We map out the resistance, the support, the key areas. Then we'll go down straight to the 4 hours candle. We'll check out and see what's happening in the 4 hours. Then we'll scale to 1 hour. We'll map out our support and resistance zone. Then the 30 minutes. Once this is done, I trade using the 1 hour candle. After doing all this, I bring it back to 1 hour. Guys, this has been done. I usually scale down to 1 hour time frame because this is where I do my execution. I take my trade using the 1 hour time frame. So I usually go down to 30 minutes time frame sometimes to confirm, because I use 30 minutes as a confirmation to my 1 hour time frame. What do I mean by that? Whenever my 30 minutes and 1 hour support and resistance align, it's more better for me. So this is how you do your top-down analysis. From the daily, you scale down to the 4 hours, you scale down to the 1 hour, you map out your support and resistance, the key zone. The reason I started from weekly is because weekly give us an overview of what the market is doing generally. So when this is done, you know that you're in for a goal. Then in the next video, we're going to talk about how to take a trade. Where do you take a trade? What do you look out for? How do you take a trade? Having done this and top-down analysis, the next thing to take a trade to be profitable, because you must execute a trade before you make money. So we'll discuss that in the next video. For those of you coming here for the first time, this is Raymond Rayfx. Once again, I say thank you very much. Please, before you sign out, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, leave your comment. If there's any part of this video you don't really understand, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll be able to address it in the next video. Also, for those of you that are interested to register for my academy, Raymond Academy, my course, like I said, is always available. You'll see my Telegram channel in the description box. You see my Instagram handle in the description box. You can send me a DM, so that when you do that, you indicate your interest in registering. The form will be sent across to you. You follow up the instructions, and then you're good to go. For those of you coming back here, the subscribers, thank you for so much for growing this community. I love you once again. I love you. Let's make money together in the forex market. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.